We are going on with our series on complex numbers, and in this video we'll revise how to factor complex numbers. In our first example, we have z squared plus 169. And what we want to do is factor this expression. So that is also equal to z squared plus 13 squared. Now we know from the past that we cannot factorize this. This is not a difference of two squares. But what we can do is rewrite 13 squared. And we can rewrite it as z squared minus 13 squared times I squared, where I is equals to the square root of -1, and therefore I squared is equals to -1. So if I multiply -13 squared with -1, that will lead back to positive 13 squared. And now we have a difference of two squares. And we can easily factor that as z minus 13i times z plus 13i.